Hey guys, so we have a leaky faucet in our garage, and I wanted to see what it's going to take to replace this thing. And it's going to be a little complicated. Whoever installed this did not secure it. I cut out this hole just to see what I'm up against with, and I'm thinking I'm going to cut it somewhere here, maybe back here, and I'm going to do some shark bites. Perhaps I'll put a 90 and then I'll head this way, and then I'll come out here and do something better. This is not, I don't like this at all. It's not secured, and this is soldered. I don't have the tools to unsolder any of this, so I'm going to be using, oh, it's bent. Yeah, this thing's not working. Needs to be replaced. I'll be using shark bite fittings. They're expensive, but it'll make my life easier. Okay, I'm gonna go get some materials and cut a bigger hole and see what's behind this. So I went ahead and cut the hole a little bigger, and I secured the sheetrock. While I was cutting this thing, I noticed this pipe here. This is 1/2 inch pipe, but this is bigger. So I'm not so sure I'm going to use the shark bite fittings. I better find out what this is. I'm starting to think, since it's soldered, this could be an outside faucet. So I have my calipers here. This is like 5/8 outside diameter. And this is 3/4 outside diameter. Okay, I think I better go inside and cut a hole, an access hole, and see what's behind here. This could be an outside faucet. So here we are on the other side, and guess what? There's a fitting right there where it threads in. This for sure is an outside faucet. Okay, I guess now I'm gonna measure how long it is and buy me a replacement, and I'll show you the process on that. My measurement, I'm hoping was the right one. I was thinking it was a 10 inch, and I guess we're gonna find out. And I went and bought this. So this is a little different than what this is. But anyway, I'm gonna try this real quick. I'm gonna see if there's any water coming out of this, and I'm gonna unscrew it. Drain this. It's the last little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and drain this, and then I'm gonna unscrew it and try the new one. So here we are. I had to make a bigger hole, and I had to modify my tubing. Everything else was, the original tubing was copper. I'm changing it to PEX and some shark bite fittings. They're a lot easier to work with. They're expensive, but they're a lot easier to work with. One thing to keep in mind whenever you're doing shark bite fittings, take your measurements from here to here. Don't do like halfway, it'll be off. And I would also suggest putting a mark on your PEX, like 1 inch, and make sure that whenever you insert that PEX, it'll reach that mark. And that'll ensure a good insertion and no leaks in the future. Anyway, this is my last piece. Then after I do this, I'm going to turn the water back on. And the front of it is going to have more stuff. So once I get all that done and it's all finished, I'll show you what it looks like. This is going to be the final product. I like it. I used stainless steel screws since they're going to be getting wet. But there it is.